Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, we are going to make keto chicken egg foo young with gravy. Okay, let's get right into it. I've got a Chinese cabbage here that we're going to chop. Got my knife, got my cutting board. I'm going to cut a half a cup roughly of this Chinese cabbage. You just want to cut it thinly, just like this. And we don't need a whole lot of this cabbage. That's about all that we need. And then the rest of it you could use for, say, like my egg roll in a bowl or something like that. So I'm gonna set that aside and I'm gonna dump my cabbage into my chicken. This is ground chicken, a half a pound. So I've got that in there. I'm gonna throw 6 beaten eggs in here. I've got some scallions here that I'm mincing. We need about 1/4 cup. I use my bench scraper to get that off. You don't wanna use your knife to do that. I've got a half a cup of minced water chestnuts and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce or tamari if you need gluten-free. Okay, let's chop all this, or not chop, let's stir all this up. I'm going to heat a half a tablespoon of oil in this skillet over medium heat. Okay, I've got 1/4 cup scoop and I'm going to scoop out that much of the mixture into my hot skillet to make a single pancake with the half tablespoon of oil that I've already got in here. I'm gonna flatten it a little bit, and this is gonna cook until it's nice and brown around the edges. We're gonna flip it and cook it for a little bit longer until it's cooked all the way through. Then we're gonna transfer it to this sheet tray here, and we're gonna keep the egg foo young pancakes hot in the oven at about like 220 degrees, just to keep them hot while we're making all of the pancakes. Okay, we were very patient, and now this one is ready to flip. Look at that. That's exactly what you want to see. Okay, we're gonna remove this one from the skillet onto our sheet tray. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil, and I'm gonna fix the rest of these. So you know when these are ready to flip, when the edges are set and they're starting to brown. This one's ready. Okay, we've got all of our pancakes made and they are staying warm in the oven. So now let's make our sauce. I'm gonna use the same skillet. I just wiped the excess oil out of it, and I've got 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm gonna put it on medium heat. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of granulated sweetener, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and a half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. And if you don't know what xanthan gum is, it's just a keto-friendly thickener. So we're gonna bring this up to a boil, and that's going to activate the xanthan gum. Okay, we've got our sauce ready to go. Here is our pancakes. How good does that look? And now some sauce. And we've got a little bit of sliced green onion. And now how good does that look? Let's try a bite. Make sure we get lots of sauce. I love the crunch of the water chestnuts. So much flavor. Well guys, be sure you check out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.